Ninja Batman. What is it about Batman combined with Japanese culture that makes him twice as cool? Fortnite released a new Batman skin, and it's Ninja Batman. When I see Ninja Batman, I just gotta draw Ninja Batman. So, landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Right, so we'll do like a check mark for a frown, right? And it goes under the hood. So like some of that might be cut off by the hoodie, but we shall see. So we'll go sort of back this way for like a frowning section and maybe some extra sort of frowning wrinkles and stuff inside here. I have a certain style for Batman that I like. I like him like hyper aggressive. Don't know why. So probably says more about me. So this eyebrow, right? And then like he's big eyes in Fortnite, not sure if I like that. So maybe we'll go a bit smaller. So we'll go like here. Sorry about the noise in the background, by the way. My kids are going nuts. So there's an eye. And then we'll go like a little few wrinkles under there maybe. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So then another big check mark going that way. With some wrinkles at the front again. And we'll join that together. Because his mask is kind of leathery and wrinkly and stuff. And we'll give him a small. So we want it to be about the same level. So we'll go there. And up. And some wrinkles around the eye. Like just for the edge of his mask and all that kind of stuff. So his nose, so we'll go this way. Down, it's kind of pointy at the front, so it's like a little V. And then we got the side of this, right, which comes down because it's a raised up section, you know, of his mask. Joins this point here. So then this comes over his cheek. It basically just continues a bit like that. And then they give him those little spikes that come in here. And this seems to disappear up underneath like his hood, somewhere up this way. We'll give it a bit of an edge line just to make it look a bit 3D. Same on this side pretty much. Right, and then jaw comes down this way. Well, it's the mask, it's the inside of the mask, right? I call it the jaw, but it looks kind of like a jaw, but it's goes like down, and then the chin part of his mask bumps over this way, right? And his mouth and stuff is all in there. So in the outside part of this sort of chin armor is here, and it goes up this way then. And again, it'll disappear sort of underneath his hood. Okay, and then an edge line on this is useful because it's sort of 3D, you know, it's Fortnite style, so it has 3D modeling on it. Little crisscross pattern here. So now his mouth. Serious looking downturned mouth. And then maybe like little top lip. Then a bit of a bottom, like Batman sort of always has, like very thin sort of bottom lip. And then like his chin, sort of, the mask is like pushing his chin skin, sort of. Like so. And then his cheekbones come down, sort of that way. If you want, you can put like some stubble or texture on his face. Right. So his face is obscured by a hood. So it kind of like starts here and it just comes down this way. That should go up a bit further then. And this comes just sort of like comes underneath his chin. That way. And then it kind of, so we've got like some bumps and folds and stuff on this. Because it goes up around his head, kind of like Dr. Doom in Fortnite, sort of similar. Alright, so, and it has this little edge line that goes like a stitching sort of line. We go sort of around his ears. It's like the center of it. Okay, and then his ears stick up here. Just like spikes, basically. And then this hood kind of continues, right? So, continues down the front. And it becomes a cape, but it's like a rugged sort of ripped and torn sort of thing. It has all these bumps and, you know, fabric folds, and it's a tattered kind of cape. So like dirt and textures and scratches and all that always helps Batman. He's not a clean superhero, you know, like Superman, the boy wonder. Batman does the dark work. All right, and then there, and like then this cape, right, is all jaggedy going off this way. there's like a hole in it here. And an edge. Okay, cape going that way. Ripped and torn goes behind his shoulder. So we got like armor on him, like classic ninja armor, and the bat symbol. But we'll do this first. So we'll go out here. Right, we'll get this shape for the chest plate. Right, goes out in. Pretty much the same on this side, except we can see a bit more of it. In, so you can see the top of it there a bit. And you want it to be centered like his head, so like the middle line of it is like in line with his nose, you know. And then we go across, down, up. And this has a golden edge. And we do the bat symbol inside, right? So we got like bat ears in the middle. And then the sort of tail down here, just a V. And then the wings come out from this, so it curves. Oh, just has one on this side, one spike. And then two on the bottom, right? So they go out, spike up, go down. And then spike one, and then a second one, and joins in there. So two spikes on the bottom, join the tail. And then he has like a gold edge on all this. Down here. And then there's like some sort of pattern on it. So it goes there and here. Right, so then there's another armor plate underneath. Gold edge. It's kind of like abs, kind of, so there's a line down the middle. Then I guess another gold edge on that. Looks like a belt buckle or something there. It's just gold, brass or gold, I'm not sure. So no armor on the shoulder, well, one shoulder pad or something here, and then very loose fitting sleeve, like with folds and stuff on it. So where does that go? Goes down here actually. Okay, so it's like dangling, and then there's like a belt in here. Is that his arm? Not sure. I think that's fabric. It's like a belt or something there. Going that way as well. And now this side is a bit more complicated. So we got like some of his armpit and stuff here with that belt stuff. This one has like a layers of shoulder armor. So it goes this way. This is like one shoulder pad. There. Okay. And then we go again, right? So these are kind of overlapping. And then there's another one like in between those two. So let's see. So that looks like that. And then this has an edge to it. There's like two patterns here, like so, and then we go down here. We give it a bit of an edge line. And then there's another pad underneath, overlapping again. Right, and then I think his arm just goes from here, sort of, down that way. Boom. Okay. I think that's everything. A bit more texture if you'd like on all the armor. Ninja, Batman from Fortnite. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.